still, okay. And we are live. Hey, Bramers. Concept we've been working on all day, and now I'm wondering if I'm using a weird angle.
Hey.
Hey, Bobby.
If you update, you'll have the new smoother autopilot.
Sweet. I shall do that. Oh wait a minute.
Uh-oh.
What's wrong?
Someone just appeared.
Who did?
It's Alex.
Oh no, not him.
Yes.
Destroy the child.
Destroy the child. Yeah, no, okay. I'll stop doing that. I will stop doing it.
But I love it.
Do you?
I do. It's my favorite.
Okay, then. I'll do it for you.
How was your day?
It was okay.
Yeah? I didn't disturb your afternoon too much with my neurotic breakdowns?
Oh. Disturbed it just enough.
Oh my god. I'm sorry.
The right amount. It was okay.
Ugh. You think I was too mean?
Well, you said what you were thinking.
I don't know. Because I felt like I had to do something. Because I had been so patient the whole time.
I know you felt like it. I could see it. Like I saw the trajectory of that message. I know where it comes from. That's just what I'm sorry.
Anyways, was it petty? You think I like the moment it was all done and said, and all he replied was okay, and I was like okay, and then I took like, cause I wanted him to read it, and then I was like it's over. And then I just like took him off of the collaborator thing. Everything was like nice and proper. But I hope it didn't like, cause like to me it didn't feel like a vengeful thing. It was just like a done thing. Like it's done.
Yeah. I hope. Yeah.
I just wanted it to be done.
Yeah, I know. I know that's how you felt.
Thanks, man.
That's how everyone
it really
felt.
helps. It helps to like let it go.
I know.
You're the
I
best.
saw my chance.
You always know better, right? Alex
Not
knows
always.
best.
Rarely. This was one of the Good times.
Yeah, you figured it out. Hey there, Keck. Oof. Okay. How is
So what you working on?
Right now I'm doing concepts.
Did you update the autopilot?
I am. I just hope I didn't break anything.
So you've added an autopilot.
Yes.
That's pretty cool.
It is pretty darn cool.
That way I won't... I lose half my utility here. Because I usually tell you to randomize her.
That's right. Now I can tell you to fuck off.
I've just been automated out of a job. I know how that feels now.
You're now obsolete.
Yeah. That's what I do to people all day.
That's right. What comes around goes around, bitch.
Yeah.
You've just been automated.
Programmer got programmed out of a job. X and YYC likes the marking on the leggings.
Why, thank you. I like them, but I think I might tweak them a little bit. Oh. Why, hello.
Is that what happened when you updated?
Yeah. Well, it's just because I guess
Ta-ta!
stuff changed.
Oh no.
Well,
Is it
no.
all broken?
I don't think so. It just needs to reload.
Huh.
There she is. So I'm thinking, I don't know, what do you guys think about this section here? This
I don't see
right
any section,
here.
which is we only see Nudi.
Yeah, it's coming
it's
back up.
delayed. Sorry.
It's coming back up.
You guys gotta calm down. Wait, so I might as well show off the leggings, eh? So you
Wow.
got the plain ones. And then we got these Harley ones.
Ultimate camel.
Is it
Wait.
painted on?
Yeah, the pattern makes it feel like it's endless.
What is?
The camel.
Oh, the camel toe?
Yes.
Is it bad?
No, it's alright. Everything pretty
Then we got
cool.
these ones.
You did some good work.
I'm right. And then we got this. It's like an ombre look.
I like this one. This is all pretty cool.
I know.
Leave the pants on when you turn on the autopilot.
I will. But for now, I just want to take a picture of her standing because. So did you put the screenshot maker? Nice. Oh baby, I love you so much.
Basically, it's at the bottom in the tools section. You just press prepare for screenshot and disable everything that needs to be disabled and open up the screenshot tool. It
Don't
opens
touch,
it for you.
so I can't touch screen. Tools. And so I can prepare for screenshot, and then if I click it again, it'll go back to normal,
It'll shut the screen.
or no?
Well, you'll have to
Press play
reload
again.
the scene.
Do I have to reload the whole scene or what?
Keck says the music's a bit loud
Okay, wait a minute.
to be able to hear us.
Yeah, I
Yes.
put you guys a bit lower. Thanks for joining us, Kick. No. Where is it? I guess I'm at the end of the playlist anyhow.
Yeah, we're more people now. X and YYC.
Okay, wait.
So
The autopilot
yeah.
doesn't work if Rosie's actually using something.
Huh. Well, then it's bullshit. I don't think you did it. No.
Pixar
I think
didn't
you're a
happen.
liar. Yeah.
She's not using it.
Stream or it didn't happen.
Well, how about Graham? You use it. How about you turn on your thing?
You know, why don't you turn on your thing?
Oh my gosh.
Instead of throwing blame
saying.
at people. I'm the one who's doing that.
Oh yeah, X. I don't think you've met Alex before. He hasn't
Hi.
been there on our last couple streams. Cause he abandoned us.
Sure. Take it like that. That's how you want to see it. You're hurting yourself. Seeing it that way.
Lulu.
Lulu. What are you doing?
I'm taking a picture of Estelle
Why?
because I want to test Graham's tool. Because Graham's a tool.
She looks very nice right now. Is the lighting different or something?
Nope.
Maybe because of the background. It just fits with the...
It's just because it's Estelle. She has a glow. She looks
Yes,
good.
she has a glow.
Estelle looks great.
Are you sure something's not different? Is the post-processing off or something?
Well, the post-processing is off, so you see it very sharply. But I don't know if you can tell that from the stream. Okay, so wait, there's something missing to the screenshot thing, because...
Alex said it looks good, so... maybe there's something to that.
Oh,
We
yeah?
should compare. What's missing?
So wait, is it different from here? Well, you'll see it delayed.
What I do is I put the Plexstar and Picardo side to side.
Is it bad, Keck? The explosion pattern on her butt? Does it look bad? I kinda like it, but I'm not sure about the front.
I guess I'll turn mine on. Why not? Why not?
So wait, do you see a difference now, Alex? Like, in the way she's lit up and looking good?
And what? Oh, on the left and the right?
No, you won't see difference between the two just now, and then in a second I'll do a different thing.
Eh? I wasn't looking.
Damn right, eh? Useless.
Yep.
Useless.
Good old me.
Lulu. So I have to select a camera. Is there a way you can prep that in the thing?
Maybe. Not now, though.
Well, you should fix it, because it's broken.
Yeah, you should.
Should have thought about that.
It's not my tool.
Yeah.
All it does is prep the scene for you. You didn't ask for me to make his tool automatically fill in everything.
Oh, well, sorry. That's what I meant. I want to press a button, and it all works.
Uh-huh.
So, you know, you gotta ask a programmer to do something, and they do it all wrong.
I won't back you up.
Oh, is it X? You're not a butt man? I'm a butt person. I like butts.
Alright, so my thing should be streaming to you now, if you want to let it go.
Okay, yeah, let me a second.
Hopefully
I
nothing's
love it.
broken.
I love this little guy. He's the best. He's not moving though.
What do you mean?
I don't know. Oh, I guess he is, but he's laggy.
Oh no. So my stream is laggy then?
I don't know. No, actually, now I don't see him.
No, it's I don't know. It seems that you have the same Estelle that the Pinkalie had just a moment before, so it
No,
may
it's
be
mine.
that it's just
It's mine what I
I don't
know.
have any Estelle.
you don't have any Estelle?
Okay, now I think you're on. It's coming.
No, it's a purple square, purple rectangle.
Okay, what's going on? Here?
Anything? Are you having trouble
Yes, I am.
with?
My auto switcher.
I guess I can't stream to you.
It's not working.
Rectangle.
Well, it's not animating.
Oh, that dude.
Is your computer open? A serious question. No.
Is your computer on, Rose?
Well,
Is your
yeah.
computer open?
I just see a black screen. Is that just me?
Are you guys
Is it
pulling my
just
leg?
me?
Yes.
I'm not. All I could see was a black screen.
Mm. I'm all about them butts.
Yeah. Do you have the Nintendo Switch?
No,
Guys? No, it was a.
we're poor.
Okay, well, this isn't gonna work. Pinkalie,
Well,
I'm
you're
sorry.
you're here now.
Yeah,
Yeah?
but nothing's moving.
What do you mean nothing's moving? Oh, I see.
It moves for like a second and then stops for like 20 seconds.
Maybe I have too much shit open.
Probably.
Shouldn't be a problem.
That's the usual Pinkalie symptom.
Okay. Name calling and everything.
You want to do so much at the same time?
It's not my fault. I need a lot of windows. It's my brain. My brain's scattered, so my computer's scattered.
You gotta buy more RAM for your brain.
I wish.
Whoop whoop.
She has enough RAM, she just needs a better processor.
She has a multiple asynchronous threads and it's running at the same time. That's a nice reference.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah.
I wonder if I made a mistake.
Is that the flight attendant still?
No, it's the regular. It's true. She looks like a flight attendant. I didn't even notice. She's the dealer.
Yes, the dealer. Of course. It all it all goes into that. I forgot about it. I always
Huh.
just see Estelle with the character creator.
I should have taken a different angle to make my reference sheet.
Oh, you got some glitchy pictures from Robo's side.
Oh, yeah, it's weird, eh?
Glitchy pictures.
Glitchy tits.
Could be our next game. The Mile House.
Glitchy tits.
Ugh, you know what? I think I'm gonna redo these.
Darn it. Well, you're gonna have to turn on the autopilot, Rosie, and forget about my screenshots.
I'm sorry. Is that your shady way to make me put the autopilot on?
No, it just doesn't work.
You're so
It's not
bad.
working. I wish it
Should have been
was.
on. Should have been on from the start.
Is my bitrate too high, or what's going on here?
Den bit est trop.
Here, I'll try this. I divided the bitrate by 10.
Whoa.
That's crazy, Bats.
What's all that electrical sound? What's going on?
Yeah, I hear that. It's one of your microphones.
Mine?
One of
It seems to be from you. You played with your bitrate and now all of a sudden you're choppy.
Me? Really?
Yeah.
Here, I'll leave. Just tell me if you still hear it when I'm gone.
Seems like you're using some sort of computer.
Yeah.
Pink?
Yeah, now I hear it. It sounds like you, Alex.
Yeah, it sounds like me too. Okay.
Yeah, I know. I do it on purpose.
How about now?
Now it's fine.
It's Alex.
No, I hear it still.
Yeah, because Alex came back.
Alex,
Yeah, it's
you're
Alex.
the culprit. Why you do that?
I hate how it works for like a second.
Hello.
It's
Hey.
still screwy.
Fuck.
Yeah, your mic is broken, man.
My mic? What the hell? I haven't even touched
Did you plug it in proper?
it.
Is your computer on?
Hmm. Typical Alex.
I restarted my OBS. If it's not that, I don't know what to do. Sorry.
Well, you'll be fired immediately. And you'll have to find another job.
Hey, I can hear him. He's back.
Yeah. You're so choppy though. I don't get it.
I don't get it either. I guess that's what our channel's about. We should call it technical difficulties.
Technical difficulties.
It's the
Seems like
worst. We're always
so
having
bad.
trouble.
It's the first time and it just started.
It's all your fault. Well, so I'm actually re-inputting my references so that I can redraw some of these guys, because Robo made me realize that I'm working off of flawed proportions. Well, they're not flawed, they're just, she looked angled in a way that wasn't realistic, so
Alex is leaving. His stuff is broken.
Oh no, he's leaving for real? Forever? Alex, I'll always love you. Didn't even say bye. No.
Oh, that's disappointing.
I can say bye.
Yeah, that's right.
I'm
Be
sorry. But I have to go.
Okay.
I don't wanna anger people with my dumb microphone.
Well, you better get one soon, because we miss you, man. I like having you on the stream to bicker with. It's an important part of my creative process.
It doesn't even sound choppy on the stream.
It sounds choppy here.
Oh, no, it does.
So
Okay.
weird.
Have a good night.
Well,
too,
good
buddy.
night, Bubby.
Talk to you tomorrow, probably. I'll send you bullshit news.
Good. That's the way we like it.
All right.
Good night.
See you, man. So it's just us, you guys. Alex is gone.
What, Pinkalie?
So it's just us. He's left us forever.
Do you want to turn on your autopilot? Because my streaming clearly
have.
not working.
I have for a long time. It's been autopiloting this whole time.
But it's not on your OBS.
Oh. Why is that? That's weird. What the hell? Oh, it's yours. Okay, sorry, I get it.
It's my frozen one. Sorry about that.
I'm very disappointed.
Me too.
Where else I come in? Why does it show me showing me that.
So you're gonna try to redraw this stuff?
Yeah, but I was trying to like salvage it a little bit. I guess it's good practice. It just sucks for people that want to see new stuff, you know? Might have one more trick up my sleeve. It's super hacky.
Or you could just keep going with what you were doing. It's not that big of a deal.
No, but like, I see how it can be. Oh, there you go. I got it. Okay, I figured it out. I figured it out. It's weird because I'm not sure if it's much better. I guess just the proportion of her head makes a big difference. It's weird though that like, I don't know, I didn't notice it while I was working. It's weird. Well, yeah, so I think this is for the best, making it, like, going through it again. Then I can rework some of the parts that just look sketchy. Though, now that I think about it, I should probably... See, I wish I could transform... So what you up to, Robo?
Nothing.
Nothing at all, huh?
I'm done.
What are you guys up to? Well, actually, you know what? You know what? You know what?
Can we figure out why I can't stream to you tomorrow?
Yeah. Let us do that.
Why it's just modeling hard.
Hmm?
Who dat?
Who what?
Now he's super broken.
No,
Oh.
I'm not broken at all. I restarted my computer, and then everything works.
Huh.
Not really.
No.
No?
No.
I'm sorry.
Well,
but-
go fuck yourself, guys. Good night.
It sounds better.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to tell you to go fuck yourself. I just...
Yeah, well, you did it. You said it.
You said what you meant.
Yeah.
Yeah, you still owe me 50
you-
bucks.
But you know, you said your truth. Yeah, but I'm streaming again, you dummy. You had to do it when I wasn't streaming. So you might never see your money.
I heard that.
What? I didn't say nothing.
All right.
You do sound better though.
Slightly.
I mean, I think the problem's still there, but you do sound better.
Yeah, it's bearable.
What's going on?
What?
Are you sure it's not like your broken internet?
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
It completely stops until your mic starts picking up. Like the moment your Discord thing goes green, I start to hear the clicking.
huh. Well,
Have you thought any more about the streaming chat parser?
yeah. I was choosing a framework that I thought was simple enough, just because I don't often use those technologies that I wanted to use.
And you decided on one?
It's either Express with Node.js at least for the part that receives and stores. Well, it could also fetch the actual web page, because I'm still not sure if I'm making a Chrome extension that will catch the text from a live web page.
Okay.
Like one that's already loaded. I'm just not sure what the like how heavy it would be to like get the full web page, even if it's just the HTML. Get full web page every, like, I don't know, 1 or 2 seconds maybe. Like it depends on what what we set it out to be.
Well, we can talk about it this weekend.
Yeah, that's why I wanted to bring my laptop.
So you guys are gonna be game jamming while we make some soapins?
Yeah,
That's what you're doing?
Yeah, we're gonna be making soap.
want to be making soap.
That's right.
That sounds fun.
For you dirty, dirty boys.
Wow.
You've been dirty.
Call this.
What kind of show do you think we're making here?
I don't know. What are you making? Huh?
It's a dirty, dirty stream. That's what it is. It's like
it puts the lotion on its skin. It gets the hole again.
dirty, dirty stream. Have you watched
No.
I listen. I still keep up with College Humor, even though they kind of suck now. But they had a pretty good one where it's Father's Day and they all have daddies, and they're talking about presents that they're gonna give to their daddies. And they talk the whole episode, like the whole skit. They're talking about their sugar daddies, but it sounds so gross.
Nice.
It's just the way they talk. It's funny.
Sugar
I thought
daddies.
it was funny.
So, yeah. I guess I'll try to get those games ready for the weekend.
Nice.
will you ladies have time to play games?
I'm sure we will.
Turn on the freeze.
Yeah, that's right. Why? I don't know what I'm gonna get my daddy for Daddy's Day. No, my daddy. This is so gross. Ugh. But now I find they're a little hit or miss.
Hit or miss?
The College Humor episodes.
Yep, it's hit or miss. And then miss and miss and miss. I'm just jaded.
Yeah, you are. Jaded asshole. A lovely, lovely jaded asshole. He's like, this big old deep sigh, like, shit I gotta go through.
What am I doing with my life?
Yeah, spending it with us. Yeah, those are good too. Like they're pretty like spot on. Like same thing when like Tumblr was shitting the bed. Like that was pretty funny.
What about Tumblr shitting the bed?
College Humor made like a skit where they had it's like the CEO making an announcement about the state of the company, but the CEO, like they're doing it for all sorts of like flavors. Like they did it for Tide Pod, they did it for a bunch of them, and then there's one where Tumblr, the CEO is like, so we're deciding to take away porn, and then and then like the guy's saying the announcement, he's like, but what are you saying? Like 80% of our base is users that display porn, and then, like they're not aware of what they made and who's using it. And they wind up sorely disappointed.
Has there been any more news about that?
No,
Well,
they took away everything, and now there's no porn.
But
there
was
were,
there ever a reason why?
yeah, it was,
Oh, it was because of the advertisers.
yeah, either advertisers or, I think there was probably Apple who may have wanted to
Oh, because they
remove
had
the app
Yeah.
from the iTunes App Store.
Really?
Because it now contained porn, and like it's against their terms of services.
Oh, they. Okay, whatever.
I mean, they could take away Chrome and every internet browser also.
But don't they have like a Playboy app and stuff?
I don't know.
Yeah, but maybe
it was one of the theory, I think.
I think that the difference is that Playboy won't let you be purchased by 18 and up, but Tumblr can be accessed by anybody. You know what I mean? So
yeah, I guess
that's the difference.
Yeah,
Sorry,
there's
I
a
realized
paywall.
I got a Barbie doll this. I don't know if
it
they'd
was
actually
really
do that one, but
worth it on their part to be on the App Store.
for sure they get so much exposure.
Yeah, but who's gonna use it?
Oh, well, that's it. Like now it's interest. Like the interesting part is to see if it fails or not.
It'll be fun to see. Yeah, it'll be great.
See it burn.
Yeah, like Wyatt just said, there was also child pornography on Tumblr once in a while. That they were trying to get rid of it also, but like everything else also went out
It
the window.
makes sense, but it doesn't seem like they would have closed it down for that.
I think there were a bunch of different pressures. I doubt that that they did it out of like, I don't know, as a plan that they wanted to do.
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't feel like the best of ideas.
No, sir. It really doesn't.
Oh well. We'll always have Casablanca.
Do you have something to say, Alex?
Me?
Yeah.
No. But I'm gonna try. Yeah, today it was the birthday of one of our coworkers, so we usually go to the restaurant, a restaurant of their choice. But there's about 3 restaurants around our place of work, so it's either of these. She finally chose the Madison because, like, usually when we go there, the guy is super fucking quick. Like, they know the waiter,
So they get stuff.
and everything. So we get, like, they know we're on a, like, we gotta get back to work. So it's like they usually wrap it up nicely, and the receipts are on the table, like, almost as soon as our plates hit the table. But this time there was a fuck up or something, so we stayed there for about an hour and a half when we're usually out, like, I don't know, an hour or even less sometimes. So now I have to do an hour 30, sort of overtime technically, because the lunchtime is not part of.
Yeah.
So I spent money. It took way longer than what I want. I eat in like 30 minutes usually, like, or 15, and then I go back to work. So now I don't know. I gotta do an hour and a half more over the next 3 days just because, I don't know.
You have to make up for that.
Yeah. And I mean, it's work related. I wouldn't be there if I wasn't working.
Mm-hmm.
You're like an episode of The Office.
I mean, it's still not a real complaint. I'm just.
Yeah, mister, I have a solid salary coming in and, like, benefits.
You made your choices. You make your bed and you sleep in it.
It's a lot funner to complain about it.
But yeah, I know it's not an actual real complaint. It just, that's what happened to me today. And then after that, we come back and it's almost 2:00. I don't know. It was a weird day.
Yeah, it kind of cuts it in half. Man,
Yep.
I remember at Game Resident, it used to. My old job, it used to just be like. People would go for 2-hour lunches every day. Nobody did, like, the overtime that was required for that. Never.
Yeah. Those are. I kind of want to work at a place like that. Just like, I don't know. It feels like I'm working in the same office that Neo works in at the beginning of the Matrix, of the first one. It's pretty gray. It's from the 90s. It really is from the 90s.
I don't even remember his office.
You see it for such a little amount of time.
See it for like 5 minutes. But it's just cubicles and bullshit.
I wonder why offices are so boring.
I think it's because they cram as much, like, they're just flat floors without windows, right?
No, but I mean, like, every single office is so freaking ugly. I don't get it. Like the lighting's bad. It's like nobody pays attention to any of that stuff.
Well, it depends on where you go. If you go to the right place, it won't be so
Yeah,
bad.
there's a couple of tech companies that have like offices in super old buildings, but they made it like they renovated it.
Yeah, I don't feel like you've visited a lot of nice offices.
But every like office that I've been in was neon and cubicles.
Yeah, but like, what was that gambling one we went to? I can't remember what was it.
Yeah, you didn't like that one either? No, you hated it too.
No, it was terrible. It was super modern, but it was still the same thing, just with a
coat of paint.
Yeah. The lighting was still terrible.
The gambling office?
Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's a place where they make it's kind of okay. They make gambling games for the phone, but
Don't give the name. I don't want people to know I'm bad talking them.
well, we're not dropping the name, but you make.
It was this.
Yeah, that's it. You make gambling games, but you buy fake currency with like in-game currency with real money, and then you can never take it out. Like, no matter how much you win, that money's gone forever.
It's a virtual slot machine with no.
So it really
No
is just
coming
for
back.
the sake of throwing your life away. And so the story goes, we're there, and they're hiring a bunch of people, and they have this huge like sushi dinner because they want to like attract as many like possible like hires as possible. And we're stuffing our faces, and they're just because like I was like I stuffed my face twice as fast the moment the guy started talking, because he's like, welcome to our company. This is like what 5 years ago when we told people that we would be like taking their money and never giving it back to them. Investors laugh at our face, and now look at them now. We have $5 million, we have $5 million to like and like make more shit, and we were like, what?
See, this topic.
I know. So like we saw like
You're
all
in
the
Robocap.
food, and we were just like, blah. We got the fuck out of there.
We're standing there in the back, and he was literally super proud and telling everybody how
much a
all their
success it
success
was.
is made on screwing people.
Oh, we couldn't believe it. And then like the first thing we did when we came back was like watching like the human horror of like people that ruin their lives playing their apps and stuff, and I was like, no, fuck that shit. I never want to be part of this energy ever. Like, it was beautiful offices, and everybody was super nice, and like he was super proud because he's like this is allowing us to like really bring this economy up here in Montreal, blah blah blah. It's great. And we're like, no, this is not great. This sounds like a nightmare. Like, sure, like yeah, like just pay good salaries. Like, that's amazing. Like, but goddamn.
And it was fun chatting with people too, because they all thought we were looking for a job there.
Oh yeah, they were schmoozing so hard. It was great.
And then you're like, so what are you looking for? And I'm like, nothing.
I have no interest.
He's like, well, it's nice meeting you.
She's like, yeah, it's nice meeting you too.
Ending up on a higher pitch than you started. Yeah, this was nice. Like, very nice meeting you. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
See you around. It was great.
I don't think they're necessarily trash games. I just think that they're designed to manipulate people.
No, that's not.
It uses all the basically social medias, like all the main platforms also implement some of the same principles.
Yeah, for sure.
Like when you get a notification, or when you know the I don't know if you use
like a slot
Facebook on your
machine.
phone, but when you refresh, when you get up like at the top of the page and you refresh,
Mm-hmm.
something like you hold it and then you uh, pull it pull it downwards, and then
Yeah.
you let it go, and it's gonna show a little spin.
Mm-hmm.
That is designed to be as fast as it is to like you can have a better internet that doesn't show you that wouldn't necessitate a loading that long, but they're showing you that because it's part of the process of the same thing of that activates in your brain when you play slot machines. Like
Crazy.
it's a slot machine but with human interactions instead of
What do you mean? So they're adding an artificial delay? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
yeah.
Just to make it feel like a slot machine.
Mm.
And sometimes they'll load different they'll load one or two more things that they didn't show you initially, just for the
Yeah.
sake of making it feel like there was a reason for you to flip it.
Yeah,
It blows my mind.
they're all doing their own things.
The thing
It doesn't
is
really
that
matter. I
it's
mean, if it makes it more enjoyable experience, do it. Who cares?
it's
Yeah.
true. It's true.
If it
But-
adds to it, even if it is,
I don't know, man. I'm seeing my mother spend a fuck ton of time in front of Facebook. It's kind of weird. It's
Well, like, in a way, like, I guess there's two sides to a coin, right? Because, can I have a wank watching this? The Wandering Jew? Sure. Like, go crazy.
Are you on YouTube also?
Yeah.
Oh shit. That's another.
Sorry, I just saw your messages. Oh, I am, I'm not super attentive. Yeah.
Good. All right.
Oh, tears in invisible. See, okay, that's
so,
the bug.
So do you see my autopilot, Alex?
She's looking around. Oh yeah, she's waving. That's the autopilot.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Just
think it's
good.
that particular pose.
to
I just
make it
have to
look
fix
like-
the skinning.
Rosalie interacts with her every once in a while.
That's nice.
Mm.
Oh, is
She'll
it
randomize and she'll.
is it like moving the camera a bit also?
Yeah.
Ah, that's cool.
My baby's pretty smart. It's pretty smart.
It's very good. Bravo, monsieur. Bravo.
It's nothing crazy. It's just to
don't
replace my
know.
job
Yeah, that's.
and to replace your job.
It's never nothing crazy once it's done, because it's like 5 lines of code, but it contains so much knowledge.
Yeah. Now I
Yeah.
don't have to be the streaming buddy,
Yeah.
and you don't have to keep reminding. And now we can talk about important things.
Yeah.
Like what? Well, the show's
whatever
over,
we were just
guys.
talking about.
Like slut machines.
Slut machines?
Slut
Yeah.
machines.
Oh, you guys get your head out of the gutter.
It's slut shaming.
Yeah, c'est ça.
Mm-hmm.
Really?
I'm not sure what I'm saying.
Don't they only have slut machines in Japan?
No.
Are you trying to do a bad joke or something?
How's that a joke?
Why is he talking?
You're what is it? He's making those sounds again.
It's making. Rosalie, Alex is making those noises again.
Oh, it's so good. It made me love you so hard. Even though you were disgracing my heritage.
Maybe true, but it was directed at Alex.
Anything at Alex's expense is good.
Yes. Yeah, from YouTube, that peach is moist.
Yeah, that's what I was going for.
Yeah.
Now that you mentioned it, she really does look like a hostess.
Like a what?
Like a hair, an airplane lady.
Didn't I tell you that a long time ago?
I don't know. I don't listen
Based
to
on
you.
your
Yeah,
first
but
sketches.
your opinion doesn't matter. That's what you should get from this.
Yeah, that's it.
She doesn't trust your instinct on whatever that is. I think you guys should break up.
So you
She
guys
loved
can be
that.
together, and I get Anne-Marie. Is that it?
Yeah.
That's your plan.
Yeah.
And mastermind.
Yes.
What just happened?
We'll have gaming nights all the time.
Gaming
We'll
night.
finally. We'll build pillow forts and shit.
You sound nice, Pinkalie.
Yes.
Why? Thank you. Why are you giggling?
I don't know. I was reading this
The YouTube chat.
this guy's chat on YouTube.
I think he's a little hand tied.
The mermaids are wee rascals. Jesus. Oh, that's a nice one. She looks nice on this.
She does look like a mermaid, eh?
The blue.
Looks like a night elf or something.
Yeah. Or a blood elf.
Yeah.
Blue streak in her hair. Pretty nice.
What can I say? She's just.
Yep. Satosh. Pretty good. Satosh on
Pretty
his
proud of her
ses cheveux là.
Estelle.
Huh. Airplane lady.
Herbling?
Airplane.
Aeroplane.
So yeah, for the stream buddy.
Mm-hmm.
Have you ever done like any request with the internet, like an API or something? I know you had a Patreon API at some point in mind. You wanted to see
I
who
wasn't
was
doing
your
that from
patron.
in Unity though.
No.
I was doing that with a PHP script, and I was just taking the data was going into our database, which the database was going to be accessed from Unity when people logged in with their accounts.
Yeah. Yeah, that's how it works.
But I'm not doing that
All right.
right away, anyways. Someday.
I just wanted to know if you had an idea of what would be better between the Chrome extension or the just
So
loading
Chrome
it.
extension is we just have to have it open all the time, or what? Like, how would it work?
Yeah. Well, all the time, just when you're streaming, basically. Or it could be all the time, like it could be just activated and then you open up the pages, the different pages for your streams, and then I make it catch whatever text is and whatever HTML tags are inside the text box for all the chats. Then I have to build an adapter for each of those sites so that the core is the same, but I can feed it from wherever, and it can change also depending on the source.
Why are you giggling?
I don't know. What is this guy talking about?
He's making poems. It's art. I think. It's a
Yeah.
performative art. He's writing stories about every girl that spawns. I like it.
Oh, is that what's happening?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. Okay, I get it now. Now it makes sense.
From what?
Every girl that spawns has a certain appeal. One looked like a mermaid. The one you guys thought looked like the night elf. I
Yeah,
might
it
be
was
wrong. Like
the one right before,
feel
though.
free
No,
to,
it
to
totally
correct
makes
me.
sense. I get it now. That's fun.
Yeah, it's weird not having all the chats at the same.
That's why you
Same
guys are on the
place.
case. You guys gotta
Yeah.
figure it out. I'm just
I'm
the pretty
sorry.
face. You guys are the code babies, the code monkeys.
I'm sorry, I haven't been
Yeah, that's
Really?
right. You should be sorry.
at it. Yeah. I don't know. I felt super fucking tired. the last week.
X, I am using the web chat, but the problem is it doesn't aggregate to Plexstorm, unfortunately. What? What?
I don't know. I just the comments are fun when they're related to each one. Sorry. She needs a good time. Yes, she does. It's about time we gave her one.
Ta-da-da!
Ta-da-ta.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go.
All right.
You leave
I
us.
need to go to bed.
I can't believe you.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave you again. I don't mind. I'm just gonna go buy a pack of cigarettes.
I haven't coded that part yet, X. It's coming.
What part?
He wants to see an orgasm for educational purposes on YouTube.
Oh, so do I.
Hey, Martin. Well, it's not 5 for me. For me, it's just 11 at night, which is still pretty late. But not that late. I probably won't be streaming much longer myself, but Alex is just gotta hit the hay.
I'll be right back.
No, I'll be right back. Good
To
night.
bed? That's not back. You're leaving. It's not being back.
I hung up on you, and I'll
No.
do it again.
Boy.
Destroy the child.
So for the clothing, I'm not sure I understand your question, Martin. Do you mean am I doing them right now? Because I'm basically I'm basing this off of an old concept art that I made myself a long time ago. And I'll be designing the pieces for other outfits that I plan on making for this project. Should I make a Snapchat for Estelle? I thought about it. Because a lot of girls have Snapchats that they share. And I don't know, if it's popular, I might do it. We could like have a feed of like things that she does in a day. Could be fun. Hey Alex, go to bed. Said you go to bed, you go to bed. Don't you long goodbye us. Are you gonna be doing a Snapchat for your chick, Wyatt? I can't believe you stole my idea. It's my idea the whole time. Nobody else thought about that idea. Except for me. And the Wandering Jew. He thought about it first. She likes big filters. And small filters too.
Hey, it wasn't your idea.
Sure it was.
Okay. No.
It's true, it was yours actually. You talked about that first, didn't you?
It wasn't even mine, but I talked to you first about it.
Well, you
Plenty
had to
of
come back.
people.
So I just have to start talking about things that you talk about all the time and
Yeah.
never listen to you when you talk. So I was like, oh yeah, you know the series, I think it's called, what is it, Doctor Who? And like, it's bad now, but it used to be good. And like, I found it all by myself and nobody ever told me about how good it was.
You're full of shit. No, but I don't know. I heard you talk about Snapchat. Snapchat would be a terrible medium, I
Why?
think. Well, it doesn't keep anything.
Well, that's the thing though. That's why you can just keep pumping out. Like, have Graham's
Like you,
thing
yeah, but I would.
pump out like different girls every day that have like different poses.
Yeah, but that's, I don't know. It feels like Instagram is more for that kind of.
But Instagram won't go as sexy as this.
No, if you want, you can still have a Snapchat. I guess it's just
Oh, definitely have like
Snapchat
the
seems
more-
like a lot of work that you just pump into the ether, and it gets destroyed by design after what 24 hours.
yeah. But then
Like
so imagine if we can just set it on autopilot though.
if I can imagine a bunch of stuff, but is it
Well, yeah,
is
use
it
your
made
brain.
for that? I mean, it could be done. There's already all the systems
Well, that's it.
inside because it can already take screenshots, and now it's randomized.
Peach Rabbit. What's that?
Still, does Snapchat has an API or something that you can like send stuff through it? Unless it's like you make Estelle and then you take a screenshot and then you send it on your Snapchat.
Well, yeah, that's it.
Yeah, I don't know.
Well, I mean,
It feels like having like, for the days that you don't want to do it, there's always your catalog on Instagram.
okay, wait, I wanted
It
to
was
see
more
what Peach
a
Rabbit
thing
is.
of a priority. They're both not for the same usage. Yes.
So I get it, and like you'd probably have to spend like 15 minutes in the morning just like taking a nice nap. But like,
Yeah.
I'm just spitballing here. I'm not saying I'll do it.
Yeah.
Rabbit.
Now, get out of my living room.
You get it.
Get out.
Oh, so wait, the bunny from the Raving Rabbits has an Instagram and just posts like dumb pictures of herself.
Oh, that's very nice. Yeah,
That's funny.
that's good PR.
You know, it must be so much like nonsense just going into work and being a fictitious character all day.
Would be so much work being fake. So much real work.
Yeah. Do a viral ad. Get paid to make an ad with silly rabbit people. The world's a strange place. But it's nice. It's cute. It's pretty cute. In the game, she's constantly taking selfies too. Yeah, that's it, right? Like, it's part of her character. Oh no, she turned to hard drugs. Wait, which one? Oh, I didn't see her. Damn it. Wait a minute. Not sure I'll see her.
Bonne nuit Rosalie.
Bonne nuit, super. À bientôt. Mange tes légumes. Oh no, if I see her yawn, I'm gonna want to yawn too. Oh. I like this wandering. I think you should be a writer. If you're not already a writer. Even Robo abandoned me. But at least you guys are here. You're the true MVPs. Oh, no. That's no good. Oh yeah, wandering. You were wondering about tattoos. There's gonna be tattoos, just not yet. We're working on them. It's all part of the plan. Your stories are turning tragic, but very real. I like that. It's like different dimensions to all these women. I don't think that's how the Hulk's skin pigment works. Unless it's always been makeup and it was always...
He's talking about the actor with all the paint on. Oh, I'm back, by the way.
Welcome back. It's about time.
Ooh, who's this sexy thing? Rabid Peach.
Yuck. I can't believe you used your bedroom voice for that.
What?
You sounded so turned on.
Well, no, I'm not gonna say I'm not turned on, but I'm not turned on.
You're not turned on? Yuck.
That's pretty great.
Have her make her a little outfit. Well, she has a couple piercings. Oh, wait a minute. That's what it is.
You can't show the piercings on YouTube, right?
Like if they're in her face. Though she doesn't have any genital piercings so far. True, I never thought we kind of kept the facial features to the minimum. Like she has several like makeup options, but she doesn't have I don't understand that phrase. Piercing. Yeah, she likes you.
You give her your number, I can't.
What, who's asking for a number? Oh, okay. Sorry, I couldn't see it just yet. Man, it feels good drawing again. I hadn't drawn in a long time.
See, he thinks she's an air hostess as well.
But see, you're not far off. She does look like an air hostess, isn't she? She's a dealer. She's a blackjack dealer. And you're pretty spot on.
Oh man.
If it weren't for the but change to air hostess for dealer.
I like the current one.
Oh yeah, let me see. The one with the black and white?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's fun. She looks like she means business. You know, I'm always wondered, like, how is it that they can give people peanuts in airplanes? Like, aren't people, like, mortally allergic to that stuff?
They don't give peanuts, do they? Don't they give almonds?
Oh, yeah. Maybe that's why. You figured it out, baby. So smart.
Did I?
Yep.
Do I have?
What?
Picardo always seems like the most up-to-date one. Like it's the quickest.
Well, because I think out of all of them, it's the one that goes through the least funneling. Because Plex has its own... I don't know, man. It sounds like a nightmare. I don't know if I'd travel if I was that allergic. Must suck.
What's up with your description on YouTube?
What does it say?
Game dev tribulations. It's pretty it's pretty intense.
Yeah? Maybe that's why Wandering became so intrigued and wanted to write poems and songs.
Like I don't think it's the word you were looking for.
No? Trials and tribulations? That's not a thing?
A great cause. A cause of great trouble or suffering.
Yeah? You don't feel like
Or
that
a
some
state
days?
of great trouble or suffering.
I mean, I always saw it associated with a phrase like that, but I assumed that it was like, you know, like something that was like, it
just seems
galvanizes you.
A little intense.
Well, game deving is intense, baby. Don't you agree?
I do. I sure do.
Yeah, that's right. We can change it. What do you want to say? Maybe Drew can make us a nice little preface. Something poetic.
How old are we?
Well, as old as the universe, really. We're cosmic babies. We've been here forever. And we'll be here forever. Oops, I did it again.
I still haven't decided how old I am.
Oh yeah? Your secret identity?
Yeah.
Well, it's not about decisions. You know that you just forget, right? Like, I have to remind you when your birthday is and how old you are.
No, it's just because there's like a big age difference between us.
Oh wait, the Wandering Jew wants to know what our mother's maiden name and our social insurance numbers are. We are. Well, do you want to say?
I don't really care.
Well, it's funny because I forget too. I'm 26.
Late 20s? Of course we're adults.
We're grown-ups.
Are you a grown-up?
Did you ask your mom for permission? Before you came here? You know what? I'm not even sure what I know. Like short heel. Oh.
Yeah, man. Late 20s. That seems accurate, right? That fair?
Well, it's a good guesstimate for the internet.
I'm too old for this shit. That's how old I am.
Oh wait, I had a reference for shoes. Oh, she's cute. I like her green hair. Let me find it. I think it's on the Discord.
Oh yeah, that was actually a really good reference.
Yeah, there you go. Are you on the channel? Yeah. So just go to the reference and here, let's see. I don't see it, damn it. But go on this person's Twitter and you'll find like a lot of really useful stuff.
Is that why they do that, X? I think we are going to end up doing something like that. Does Restream get the chat from all of the locations?
Yep.
Is that the one you're paying for?
Yeah.
Should Alex be making the parser for Restream instead?
Maybe if you're trying to like group it more things. The only thing is that there's already a delay here, so maybe it's better to get it straight from the source. So like, but like that's it. I don't know. It might be easier for you guys.
I think it would be great. I really think we should do that.
And then you can make it so that it copies, because the only thing is that Restream doesn't see Plexstorm. That's the only thing.
Oh, it doesn't. Well, that's pointless then.
Well, that's why I would use this if I could.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right, Bex. It's probably a good idea to do that. So, Robo, you were pretty spot on. The one in says he was 27.
What do you mean?
Well, you said late 20s, didn't you?
Oh, I was... Yeah, I was saying our age.
Oh.
I didn't know I was guessing his age.
Yeah, maybe you were.
I guess we're all the same age here.
Okay, so I think that's it for this suit. I think she's gonna get caught for a lot more than that. Wait, I didn't save this? Ever? Oh boy.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure she's gonna get fired for more extreme things than that.
Well, see you, Wyatt. I can't promise I'm gonna be on for much longer, but it was nice seeing you. I'll see you on the next stream.
How come Estelle isn't randomizing anymore?
She's not? She's fun. She looks like a dryad.
Estelle is gonna get fired from the casino. That's what the guy on YouTube is saying. For stealing chips.
Oh, sorry. See, I'm doing that thing where I didn't talk about what he said.
Where everything...
But that's it. Maybe she'll get fired for a lot more than just stealing chips.
We'll make sure the cameras are covered.
Well, that could be interesting.
Your YouTube and Picardo seem frozen. Plexstorm's working.
Sometimes, sometimes Restream, like, fails. But they're all online right now.
Maybe it's just, I had to refresh. For some reason mine were frozen. What is that blackjack picture in the background? When is that from?
That was a long time ago. It's one of the first concepts ever. You guys are seeing some old school stuff.
I didn't even remember that.
Yeah, doesn't she look like Kate Blanchett?
Sort of. Not really.
I don't know, she makes me think of that exhibit we went and saw. I really liked it.
You really liked what? Oh, the exhibition?
Yeah.
Yeah, if we can get all the chats in one place, we'll hook them all up to be on the screen. I think it's great. So there's no way to get that off of Plexstorm?
You'll have to talk to Alex.
They don't support it yet? Your restreamer thing?
No, that's right. Laser. I'm trying to find the name of that type of top.
I wouldn't know. Dress?
No. Well, because in her case, it's like a skirt and a vest. I don't know, I like the bow, but if it is a bit inconvenient, it might be the first thing that I take
Wandering Jew.
Huh? Yeah, the Wandering Jew's mentioning how the bow's a bit over the top.
Friend is off to bed, yeah.
Yeah, man, come around. It was nice meeting you. I'm excited about that. I'm really anxious for people to get their hands on the game. Yeah, man, we need some kind of physics or something, like an animation maybe. It'd be really nice. For sure, man. That's gonna be the one part, is having the stripping feel nice, because I'm not sure we'll be able to have her like unclothe herself because of the constraints of like having the clothing be dynamic cloth, right? Like right now it's just skinned onto the character. But having little tidbits, like little interactive items like the bow, for example, I think will be interesting to show off. But most, like right now in the concepts, like we've feature creeped about this project forever, and so it's monstrous now. In the original setup, Blackjack was just going to be stills of the 3D character, like just renders of her, or just the character stiff with like choppy animation to like show movement and like emotion and stuff. And now she's turned into a full-blown, like, fully animated character, which is insane, but we're gonna do it because we're crazy. So when it comes to clothing, the original idea was really just to have it disappear, like using a dissolve shader that kind of just like makes it look like it evaporates in a cool way, you know? Seriously, Future Creep is like, we're the Future Creep queen and king of the universe.
Am I really?
You enable me, which is worse. So
Hi,
really,
Wicked Gaming.
it's all your fault. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go soon, guys. I am falling asleep.
Yeah, online multiplayer is like a beast in itself. Oh, she's got those demon eyes right now.
I'm glad you could too, X. You have a good one, okay? Have a good game/sleep time. Thanks for being so patient too. I said I'd be back like ASAP and then. Well, I took a big break, you know, I think that's the secret. Plus, it's nice to have good companions. Have you guys hang around is pretty chill. You have a good one, okay? I'll see you soon. Hey, Wicked Gaming. Sorry, I just saw your messages. I'm really happy you like the eyes. I spent a lot of time on them. I really wanted to make them feel like nice and juicy. She has a bunch of pupil animations when she does stuff, like when she's yawning. Wait, I want to showcase it a little bit. Wait, let me see.
Are you randomizing her by hand now?
Yeah. Wait, I guess I'll, So right now, I don't know if you can see, but when she blinks, she has a bit of an effect. Wait, when she falls asleep, you see it most, because like her pupils will dilate and contract.
Really? I never knew that.
Yeah. See? But now it's a little funky with the diamond shape. Let me make him round and clear. Wait. There we go. You'll see it super good now. There you go.
Oh, that's pretty cool. I didn't even know that was in the game.
Yeah. Hey, dilation of the pupils is like a super important part of like an arousal.
Yeah, but like the only time she does it right now is when her eyes are closed. We have to make use of that when her eyes are open.
See, even X was mentioning it about the arousal. He knew. He knows it.
Mentioning what?
The arousal with pupils. Oh, listen, we'll make hundreds of dollars when you guys buy all our games. That's what's gonna happen. We're gonna become bajillionaires, and we'll be making all of the sex games.
Bajillionaires on hundreds of dollars?
Yeah, that's right. Well, you know how we make... Like, we're good. Like, we don't need a lot of money to be, like... To be pretty self-sustaining. We just
Which
need a little
lips?
Bit of... Oh, all the lips. You know it, son. Okay, guys. I'm gonna have to call it a night.
Here, just in case anyone wants to follow our progress, let's put a link to our Discord.
Oh yeah, I'll do that. Wait a minute. So, thanks for coming in, guys. I'm happy I got a little moment to come back. I was scared with all the phone calls I had to do, that I wouldn't be able to, but I'm glad I did. So, anybody interested in following our progress, you can find us on Discord. Here's the link. And, thanks for tuning in. Wicked, it was nice meeting you. And here, if you want to follow us, you can join our Discord. You can keep up with all the progress that we're making on this lovely, lovely lady.
Nice. Awesome.
Yeah, so you guys take care.
Rixlet just joined.
Nice.
I'm not sure if that's someone we were chatting with.
If you want to, like, put a little note next to your name or something so we know. We know who you were in the chat. And sometimes it's just people that like to be a little quiet. And that's fine. Ooh. Well, see you guys. Here, I'll do a little dance. Wait. Does she have a couple dance animations I can take somewhere?
I don't know.
Like, which ones did you make recently that looked good?
None of them.
No? Yeah, they all need work. That's the thing. With
Yeah,
retargeting, they always need a little work.
Our go-to works well though.
Yeah?
If no one's seen it, but
Wait a minute.
oh, Rixlet is Quirrell?
Yeah. Cool. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Where is it? Okay, wait. Where's the animation list? Oh, shoot. Oh. Oh yeah. Shoot, I guess I was gonna do like naughty stuff, but now I realize I can't because of YouTube. Okay, why do I not see your animation list anymore? Oh, okay, there it is. I got it. Whoa. Animation clip. I don't see the drop down anymore.
It's not part of the tool, it's in the script right above it.
Oh, okay. Got it. There we go. Good old K-pop dance. Don't worry, you guys. More dances will be coming soon. Oh wait, I want to put her in her leggings because they look so good. Oh wait, gotta take that off. Oh yeah, I like these. As you can see, we still have to fix it up, but I'm not sure. It's from a K-pop pack on the Unity asset store.
It's from the asset store.
That's one of the animations I haven't made. But as you can see, like, there's a couple things that need to be fixed, like her face and sometimes her arms intersect with her body, so.
Oh my gosh.
What?
What's wrong with the bra?
It's the same bug, isn't it?
I don't know. We'll figure it out.
I really wish we could fix her arm. The corrective morphs, sometimes they screw around. So like you see it for a little moment. Oh well, the controversy with Fortnite is specific because they take famous moves and they sell them. And they don't even collaborate with the artists that came up with those famous moves. In this instance, maybe I should research where the dance comes from to be sure that it doesn't come from an actual, like, choreography, but the fact that it's retargeting, like, it's retargeting animation is, I'm a little less concerned. Because, like, someone had to be in a studio to, like, dance this. And if it so happens to be, like...
If someone takes time to sue you, you're doing pretty good, so...
Yeah.
I don't mind getting to that point.
Well, that's it. Like, at that point, it's like I legitimately bought it off of this website. And therefore, like... There we go, guys. That's it. Good night, babies. I'm falling asleep. I love you, and we'll see you next stream.
Good night, guys.
See ya. Mwah.